This is a late-breaking crime report. As I speak, there's a robbery taking place down at the City Museum. Someone has broken into the fancy sales made of rare and expensive fabrics exhibit. Oh, if only one girl would show up and save the day.
Are you kidding me? Let's see how fix this, and hopefully we won't miss much of the party.
Hey, you two. Where are you not going?
Don't follow me, Scoops. I've got to go buy more meatloaf.
Becky wants us not to follow her. It means she actually does want us to follow her. Since it's opposite day.
No, wait. I meant to say, please follow me, everybody. See, that's what I meant. No. Field trip. Oh, brother.
With this golden sail,
Go, go,
I
go.
prepare my ship. I will borrow it. Borrow? No. Steal!
While Nocan steals the golden sail, the opposite day party has taken over the grocery store.
Excuse me, I would not like to buy this can of Super Cran Cranalot because it tastes terrible and is not delicious.
Fine then. Don't buy it.
So here's $1.
What's this for?
Just go ahead and don't ring me up.
What is going on? Am I on a hidden camera show or something?
You definitely are on a hidden camera.
Sorry about that, sir. You're not on a hidden camera show. You see, we're having an opposite day extravaganza. So we're saying the opposite of what we mean and using lots of antonyms.
Oh, I know what an antonym is.
That's a word that means the opposite of another word.
But what's an extravaganza? That sounds like some sort of tropical fruit.
Extravaganza is a spectacular party. A big, fancy celebration.
Not a tropical fruit?
Not a tropical fruit.
Well, you learn something new every day. Say, this opposite day extravaganza is kind of fun. Let me try it.